on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia Max UHF 57, and Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. Una know as we do them every Monday, we call them the Tear Rubber edition, based on say all the main action will happen for inside Nigeria political boxing ring for weekend. We go carry them, drop them down, give you license to choke mouth inside, to talk them do anything be you for body, so that those who they lead this country go do the necessary thing, we go move this our country forward. My name na Ezogo Chukwudi, and as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I there with my brother when Sabi well I stay concerned the political matter as in a hot.
Yes, now that fresh we don't carry coming our way again, and that's not regular program, that's not political program where they informate now with political activities where they happen for Nigeria as they hot don't come now way again. Yes, today we no go different. We'll give now all the touches, all the stories we make headlines over the weekend, so that at least we go fit do it, we go fit relate and know as we go take collectively address, and so that our leaders with the health go fit do something about that. My name never see change. My name now Nkubi, and this is now as it is hot.
We don't go waste time, we will go straight into all the one we will carry come today. And we'll go start with one joyful news. But before that one, make I wet the ground small. The wife of the Vice President, Mrs. Dolapo Oshibajo, for one particular small service when they do for the Aso Villa Chapel yesterday, come out, clear her throat, although modern Sunday something. Come talk say, Nigerian girls, they under threat. She talks say we need to do more to save these girls from sexual exploitation, abduction, death, kidnap, and some kind of bad things where they happen for inside our society. And the reason why she talk this one is because of say, all of us remember say for inside this Lagos, for Babington Junior Seminary, for inside the Ikorodu, some kind of bad Jaguda people enter inside there, come kidnap some 3 secondary school girls. But the good news we say, our Nigerian police, based on all the work when they do, they don't rescue these 3 girls them. And they break the way when they go about their operation down. And it's not something when we say they give plenty Nigerians them joy. People cut cap, give the governor of Lagos State, Governor Akinwumi Ambode, sake of say, immediately that thing happen. Nothing like say, it happen, it no happen. You see them, you don't see them. Our security operatives, I go speak English, they swung into action immediately. Those when they use helicopter, use helicopter. Those when they track them as they walk up for ground and track them. Those when use canoe, use canoe. And at the end, we they very, very happy say, these 3 young girls, when we say these bad people, then go inside, go kidnap, they don't catch them. Investigation, they presently, they go on as we speak. So, and then talk say the prime suspect, one Emmanuel Arigidi, in the open mouth, don't give every information as it take concern that one. The most important thing I say, not be just say when something bad happen, we'll come take action. As those of us who get military background, we know say it's good to be very, very proactive. To be proactive now to ensure say bad thing, even though it get chance to happen, it go very difficult for them to happen. That one now get to do with the story of the girls when they rescue and the fact say Nigerian girls will need to chook plenty eye for their body.
Yes, we go on this note, make we enter straight into waiting one of our ex-president talk. First and foremost, we go talk say happy birthday in waiting in advance, in arrears to our one-time president, Oga OBJ. He recently celebrating 79th birthday, but that same birthday no pass without coming out to also address the situation where they happen for Obodo Nigeria. Oga OBJ come and talk say, look, the Economic and Financial Crime Commission, that is EFCC, say right about now, say they don't get teeth again, say they be toothless bulldog. Say even to back self, say they don't even fit back. Unto say waiting, unto say the rate at which corruption they take play out now, say they very, very, very serious. He say he remember when EFCC they very, very strong under Nuhu Ribadu, and the Beko also bear in mind say Nuhu Ribadu was the first EFCC chairman will be chairman under OBJ reign. He talks at that time EFCC is strong. At that time, if Nuhu Ribadu cough, everybody will not say in they guilty of corruption, but they shake where they say, look, but now, say the way things just they go, people just they behave anyhow, just they carry money anyhow. Say EFCC said no, they effective. Don't even say they want to address or fight corruption. Say look, say Nuhu Ribadu still there alive. Say maybe they go meet them, maybe not to if not to consult them, make them consult them. So you go give them the logic as to take handle this thing, the body that time. Say look, but right about now, say EFCC no get it. You can't even talk. Say look, say Oga, that is our current president, Oga Buhari. Say look, make we collectively come hands together, join hands together, address this matter so that we go feel know where they go. Because if this thing continue this way, it's not just laughter and chuckling, go just the chuckle. Now waiting Oga OBJ, one-time president to talk with that.
From this particular story, we go enter the one when we say Governor Ayodele Peter, aka The Rock, Fayose talk for inside Ekiti State. Everybody knows saying a person when we say if we drop controversy, Ayodele Fayose dey always dey there. And this one, he can sound note of warning, give the DSS, in draw ear, give them. Say make them not forget, say constitution don't write where their power reach. And constitution don't write where they no go fit, they chook eye inside. But say it be like say the activity of the DSS, especially for states like Ekiti, Rivers and Bayelsa, it don't they pass, be careful. This one na say of say information when they give us, now say on Friday evening, as the members of the Ekiti State House of Assembly, they sit down for the different committees, they discuss some kind of important things. They talk say some kind men from DSS invade the Ekiti State House of Assembly, say they shoot into the air in Rambo and Commando style. They can carry 4 members of the Ekiti State House of Assembly. And Governor Ayodele Fayose they talk and say, the way when we say DSS, they behave like say them, they be card-carrying members of the All Progressives Congress. Say they know say their constitution, what did it tell them now? Say that they protect every Nigerian. Nobody say they're going to use them one party. They use them, they fight the other party. But the APC inside Ekiti State come and tell Ayodele Fayose say, making come out the Iroko tree when they inside in eye, before they come out the toothpick, when they inside another person eye. Sake of say, now he go be the grandfather of people when we say that they fight opposition for inside Ekiti State. They talk say the chairman of Ekiti State APC said the man before he come out, he go make sure say 12 o'clock don't knock because Governor Ayodele Fayose don't want him. Say if he waka anyhow, say he go lost. Say that's why the man every time when time pass 4:30, the man go just lock himself inside house because make the kid no come enter. He say he waka go, he no come waka come back. They come tell say make him calm down because if they talk about people where they fight opposition, now him they do am. But he come and talk say say if they like when they carry one. He said 1 million people when they DSS. If they like me, they carry him come inside the Ekiti State. Say he know they shake, he know they fear. He come there and say, what will be the meaning of Peter? They say Peter na rock. He say him be indeed the rock, and he know they fear anybody.
Yes, from that level of rock, make we enter into this sad news because the rate at which killing the play out for Rivers State these days, it very scary. The news where they reach away, the news where what happened over the weekend, we hear say some gunmen, some Jaguda people, some gunmen carry waka enter the house of the All Progressive chairman for Omoku Ogba, Egbemandoni local government, this area of Rivers State. Can't do it. Can't buy the chairman of that area where his name be Franklin Obi. You know, we say even ended. Then why even do it? Can't even make not be something specific. Even carry his head go. They don't even buy him alone. They even buy the wife, buy the own son, your own son, 18 years old son, join. So we go also very much away say for this Omoku. Now there one killing, serious killing take place last month where about 25 people do it in. Then 25 people die for that for over cultist matter, over different crises we play out there. So we they talk say look, I beg our soldier, our government, our police people, I beg this matter don't they pass. Be careful. Make we do it in. Make we join hands at least. Make we know how we go take address this matter because hey, if we continue this way. Hey, if you not get a man to say we want to do it, they smile. When you don't do it, when you don't pass, be careful. Make now please address them. Now what happen for Rivers with that? This
final story now one when we say we go take with cool voice because now something when we say plenty people they pray say make it no happen. This one I sake of say the Minister for State for Labour and Employment, Oga James Ocholi, when come from the Kina local government area of Kogi State. We've been here one very sad news. Say as in they travel with the entourage, say in SUV when they inside, can't get a bus tire for the back. It can somersault severally and can buy for the accident when happen. The one we can even make this one very, very sad. Now say, no be only and buy. In son self, when follow for inside the motor buy for also the accident. And in wife, when be there inside coma, after some time, they talk say after about 1 hour, 30 minutes, they can carry her dead body safe enter. Plenty people don't they drop a voice as it take concern this particular matter. And plenty people they talk good things about this particular man. And we know say that they talk bad thing about person when we say he don't buy, but he go, they're very, very good. Make we point them out to every Nigerian and say, this life or this world when we do so, irrespective of your position, when death come knock for door, if God say na your time, definitely you go answer. And it go dey very, very important make all of us live our life in the way when we say, when we go, people go remember us. Not be just because of the position when we dey occupy, but because of the impact when we make for the lives of people. So we dey use this opportunity to tell Oga James Ocholi, him wife and his son, say make God keep their soul. And the family members wey remain, say make comfort, make it be their own portion now, because I know say 3 people for inside one family na something when we say the other family members they go dey think am well, and it go dey very, very important make we also reiterate again say this life no be here e end. Based on your belief system, if you finish your own for here, you go go answer the person when we say he create you, and na that court na him be the highest, because the decision when we say they go take for inside that court of heaven on judgment day, they know they appeal am for anywhere. And if you get plenty money, you know if you hire all the whole senior advocates when they inside Nigeria, everybody go answer that call one day. And it's very, very important make we live our life well. All of these stories when we carry come from this weekend, 5 of them as the thing they come out plenty smoke. If we come out the one of this Oga James Ocholi, we go talk say now 4 important stories when they affect us for different parts of this country. We go like make you call, make you chook mouth for inside this agreement and the arrangement. Based on say we know get plenty time. And Monday na days when we say people they talk well, we go like make it just be 60 seconds. If you call in, just hit the stories when you want hit. Make we continue with our discussion. They go.
Well, disturbing stories actually. Some they disturbing, like the APC own, very disturbing. And considering the fact, say this same drama play out last month, where about 25 people die. And then the funny thing about this whole drama, we say, then just they quiet, then they carry, then they do it, and then they make I not even fit. That you know, say you get some countries where no one feel mention. Then they cut head come out. I mean, has the issue of this thing gotten to that point where we say would they kill, would they even carry the person head go? I mean, it's very, very disturbing if our crime rate don't reach this level. And after they talk, this thing played out last month and still can't they happen again. So I beg, would they urge our security people? I beg, make now please look into this matter, because the issue of cultism for rivers now something where they very, very disturbing. No be today it start. It don't be play out some years back. Right now, it don't they resurface again. I beg, make una do it. Make una look into this matter. Address the necessary group. Maybe say when they get issues. Make them know as they will take do it in. At least come on the round table, settle their matter. And people are even they involved for this matter. We say we carry out this mayhem, we carry out this crime. At least make them also try find them out, because if no sure example. Say, okay, this person they guilty, or this person do this thing. We know if we do it. We know if we find solution to certain problems where they affect us for our Bodo Nigeria. We get Oga Samali. Oga Samali, they call us from Ojodu. Good morning, Oga Samali.
Good morning.
We hear you right on.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yesterday when I heard that news of Mr. James Ocholi dead, I was shocked. But when I called the one where called surprise me most, say his wife and pikin die. The thing get us to be my brother. It's a pathetic story. Then the issue of DSS. When PDP was there, they were crying foul that DSS have become an annex of the State House. So what are we seeing now? I think democracy we say in for place. DSS have to know, say, they get label when they go do all this, when they do so.
Very true.
Has DSS become an annex of APC Secretariat? I mean, the problem when they for Nigeria now pass this one. No.
Very true. But Oga Samali,
workers when they work, no get salary. Those when no get work, they don't get work to do. And we are expecting a level playing ground from security agents and from
yes, level playing ground from security agents. Yes.
Things wahala. Make them know they can't see when they happen now. You know, happen for Arab world when the Arab Spring happen. No.
Oga Samali, thank you very, very much for that contribution. And you also drop your own voice on top of this matter we don't grab, because the EFCC supposed they, I say EFCC, DSS supposed they very neutral when it comes to addressing some issues we concern us. No be to take do it, no be to say they want to get affiliation with any government where they in place. We get another caller right now, all the way from Plateau. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, so I talk about the kidnapping and the TSS.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
With the hear you Friday.
The kidnapping matter. Our governor, our federal governor, too slow. It's too slow. More than look how APC governor they are doing. They're too slow for this country. That is it. Now only police people they are working. Now only police people they are working. No security, nothing. The president is too slow for this country. DSS matter. Governor Fayoshe, I like that governor. If that governor needs president for this country, I will vote that man 10 times. I will vote that man 10 times because the man is working. It's a hard-working governor. That is the one richest governor.
Friday. Define what you mean by working.
Oga Friday, when be the last time when you go Ekiti State?
Oga Friday, hear what Chukwudi ask you?
No.
He said, when be the last time when you go Ekiti to know, say yes, and true, say this man, they work?
Because the man I have action. The man have action.
Say now being outspoken, say they talk. Now I go take balance. Say they talk when you want to talk, and the services you're supposed to render to your state.
For the city state. You people told us DSS have issue and Governor Fayoshe.
Anyway, Oga Friday. We don't hear your own opinion on this. Everybody get your own say about certain issues. Thank you very much for that call. We get Mrs. Oge. Mrs. Oge, they call us from here for Lagos. But Mrs. Oge, we don't know from where they call us from Lagos. So good morning.
Good morning.
Where they call us from?
I'm calling from Surulere, Lagos.
Surulere. Right on, we hear you.
I don't have much to say actually, but I just want to wish the departed souls to rest in peace. That's all. And I want to say well done to you, Nkubi, and to
Thank you very much.
You guys are doing a great job.
Thank you very, very much.
Mrs. Oge, thank you very much. And we also, like we don't talk earlier when the program starts, talk say, may God keep the soul of Oga James Ocholi in wife and also in son. And every other person when we say, don't pass on. We know, say, this thing is something when we say, at the end of our time for earth here, it go happen. But like we don't talk, it's important make everybody live their life well. Because the person when give you that life to live, you go answer them for the question when we say, he go ask you. Oga Friday from play to raise some very important points, just like Oga Samali from Ojodu. Oga Samali be make them very, very clear, say, everybody gets waiting constitution, don't talk, say, they're supposed to. And it go there very, very good, make it be, say, when we don't identify this particular problem, maybe in the past, we can't enter inside government, and time can't reach for us to fit correct these things. It can't be like, say, now the same thing, now they happen, and be say, wahala don't they. The DSS and other security agencies, they get the constitutional rights to do wetin constitution not talk say make them do. But the way and manner when they go about them, if it can't be like say na just say that they select, can they do the thing, and be say wahala go there. Because according to Governor Ayodele Fayoshe, he talk say if they check wetin DSS they do for inside Ekiti, Rivers and Bayelsa, he call these states because of say if you check them, at these states they be opposition states, and if you check the way when we say it be like say they don't they do things for inside this place, it be like say wahala they happen for inside that particular place. We get Oga Lawrence, he they call us all the way from Aguda. Oga Lawrence, good morning and welcome to Ask E The Hot. But he be like Oga Lawrence from Abuja. Oga Lawrence from Abuja, good morning and welcome to Ask E The Hot.
Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Lawrence.
How are you doing?
We dey fine.
Okay, I just want to talk about the DSS issue.
Okay, we dey hear you.
What do you mean I want to talk about there? Say, then they select. That's the truth.
Okay.
So that is all I have. They are selecting. They should do it not only on either PDP members. They should directly do it. Anybody they know is faulty, they should hold that person responsible.
Okay. Oga Lawrence, thank you very much. You don't drop your own voice on top of this particular matter. We get Emmanuel. Emmanuel, they call us from Ikorodu. Good morning, Emmanuel. Emmanuel, good morning. Will they hear you?
Kai, I beg. Like say the network no agree. I beg, if you go call us, just try your best to reduce the volume of your television, or maybe you come out anywhere where your television dey. In case you want make your neighbors hear your important contribution, it go dey good make as they hear you, the full Nigeria they also they hear your contribution. Oga Lawrence don't drop in points, but him be no talk. Wetin be the reasons when he see when he talk say the thing they very very selective. But like wetin the governor of Ekiti State don't talk, Governor Ayodele Fayose. If he not talk, say make everybody check where the activities of DSS for Rivers, for Bayelsa, for Ekiti. Say just be like say now one way the thing they go. Maybe now why he talk say the thing they very very selective. But it go good make we point them out say our DSS people, Constitution don't give them power to do what they're supposed to do, and another thing that they're supposed to do. We get Kemi, she they call us all the way from Ebute Meta. Kemi, good morning and welcome to Asi the Hot.
Good morning, Kemi. Good morning.
Kemi, this is your voice. Be like, who does they wake up? Oh?
No, I'm sorry about that. Good morning.
Good morning.
You guys are really doing a great job. I don't know if you remember me. But all this that is happening, I believe there's a master plan somewhere. Like the whole economic problem, the whole security issues and all that. I'm thinking that there are people somewhere trying to create a war. Probably something beyond us. So this is just a side distraction. There is a game plan. There is something Luton wants to occur. You know, in every war, there is a game. So everything that is happening has a reason. The whole economic issue, insecurity, joblessness, is just for one purpose. I think we should all look deeper than what we're saying.
Kemi, one quick question.
Very, very well.
Okay.
And we should think outside the box. There's more to it. Trust me, that's all I have to say.
Very true.
You guys are
Kemi,
doing a great job. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. But as you dey watch us from house, it go dey very, very important to make we drop this question so that if you get a chance to call us, you go fit talk some more on this particular issue because you don't identify one particular problem. It go good make we provide solutions. Wetin be the things when we say those when we say we give the power to represent us to do? Wetin be those things when I go do to use avert this particular disaster when you don't talk say likely the thing go happen. We get Basi. Basi they call us all the way from Port Harcourt. Oga Basi, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Oga Basi, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, we dey hear you. Right on.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, I'm calling from Port Harcourt.
Okay.
Yeah, I just want to say the death, the man may so rest in peace. Hello, are you with me?
We dey hear you.
Yeah, I want to say may he so rest in peace. Most especially his son. The guy is a young guy, but you know, you can't when tragedy wants to happen like that. And secondly, about Ayo Fayose.
Yeah, we dey hear you. Fayose.
Yeah, like Ayo Fayose. I want to believe the DSS has been, the APC has really using the DSS, you know, to torment the PDP states. I will advise the president to look into it, just to give them a level, you know, the same level of, you know, investigation. Don't need to, you know, bump on the PDP states at all the time. You know.
Oga Basi, thank you very much
for this important contribution. And we hope say Oga Presido go do wetin dey very very right because he get the power as the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. If people dey overzealous and to call them to order. Charity, they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Charity, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning. How are you today?
We're fine.
I really do appreciate the good work we Chukwudi Akubu do. God will reward you guys in Jesus' name.
We say amen.
Thank you very much.
Concerning the children that were kidnapped in Ikorodu, I want to really talk about the security. I believe that the security where they Ikorodu, where they not only Ikorodu, where they Nigeria is not tight. Because those guys where come kidnap those children, they didn't just do the work this one day. Because based on the news I had, they dig a hole under fence. From there, they penetrate, enter the school compound, because the school compound is very big. And for person to they dig hole, not be one day.
You go take
and they not feel let us. They not feel tell us say they know if there was a good security, they not go fit tell us say they don't know say that they dig hole. They can finally dig inside class. But not be one person, not be two person, not be three people. They enter, come colobi those girls. and there was nothing, nothing was done about it. They were not aware.
But,
so the whole thing, they surprised me. I don't know what they happen for this country.
But Charity,
yes?
If these people dig ground, reach where they reach, go Kolobi these girls, how they take come out? Not be get they follow come out.
That is what we are saying. That is the security we are talking about. There is no security. If security is there, they not just fit do all those Kolobi of 18.
Charity, thank you very, very much for this contribution. And this information we don't also add up to what we get right now. And right about now, we'll quickly enter this break. When we come back, we'll continue from where we stop. Will they come?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.